Good morning, students. So, this is the last chapter for your final examination, and it is probability. What do you mean by first? We will see what do you mean by probability. So, probability is the word which is related with a word possibility, means in which we are doing some event, okay, and that event can turn into our condition in our favor of our condition, or it cannot be in our favor. So in that case we have to find the possibility, or it is also known as the probability of the favorable condition. Clear? So what do you mean by the probability? It means likelihood. Okay, it means likely to be true or not true. Clear? Either it will be true or either it will not be true. Okay, so there is a formula of probability. So formula is number of trials, okay, in which the event happened, okay, upon total number of trials. So this is the basic formula for finding out the probability. Now let's start directly with exercise 22. Now exercise 22A, question number 1. A coin is tossed once. Find the probability of getting head. Okay, now solution. Okay, so according to the formula, first we have to see the number of trial in which the event happened. Okay, first is the number of trial in which the event happened and the total number of trials. Clear? So event is that a coin is tossed once. Clear? So first we will see the total number of trials that it can come out, or we can say the total number of possible outcomes. For suppose I'm tossing a coin, okay, and we have to see the probability of getting ahead. For suppose the coin is tossed once and tail is coming, okay, but we have to find out the probability of getting head, and then it has been tossed again, okay, till we are not getting head, because we have to find the probability of getting head. So that will be total number of possible outcome will be 2. Okay, maybe in the second time the head can come. So we have to find the probability of getting head. Now number of favorable outcome, okay, means if the number of possible outcome is 2, so out of that head can come once na, because coin is one. Okay, a coin means one coin is tossed. So the number of favor outcome means in that the head will come only once. So what is the probability? That is 1 means the uh, number of favorable condition upon the total number of possible outcomes. So getting head probability is 1 by 2, and this is your answer. Okay. Now the second part is saying not getting ahead. Not getting ahead. So probability will be, again, total number of possible outcomes is 2, and the number of favorable condition will be 1, means not getting head means that is 1, and possible outcome is 2, total number. So this is also 1 by 2. Okay, for suppose coin is tossed, either it will come head or either it will come tail. So both the probability of getting head is also 1 by 2, and not getting head is also 1 by 2. Okay. Now see the next question. Let's see question number 8. Okay. And this will be the final question for this exercise. A bag contains 4 white and 6 black balls, all of the same shape and same size. A ball is drawn from the bag without looking into the bag, and find the probability that the ball drawn is black, second is white, and not a black ball. Okay, so let's see in the solution. So number of white balls were 4. Number of black balls was 6. So total number of balls will be 6 plus 4, that is 10. Okay, now the first part means probability of black ball. Okay, so how many black balls were there? 6. So 6 were there, and total number of balls was 10. So this will be 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 3 by 5 is the answer. Now see the second part. Probability of white ball. So how many white balls are there? 4, and total number of balls 10. So this will be 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. 2 by 5 is the answer. Now third part. Probability of not a black ball means, not a black ball means we will not take the probability of black ball, so there will be a white ball, so that is 4, and again total number of balls was 10, so this will be also 2 by 5. Clear? So question number 8, all the part has been solved. Okay, now we will move on to our next exercise. So now we will be starting with exercise 22b, and our first question is question number 4. I'm not writing a question, okay, I'm showing you. Question is saying that 10 cards with numbers 1 to 10 written on them are placed in a bag. Okay, 10 cards are there and the numbers are also being written on it up till 1 to 10. A card is chosen from the bag at random. Determine the probability of choosing 7. B is 9 or 10. C is a number greater than 4. D is a number less than 6. So let's start with the solution. Okay. So total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is 10 because there are 10 cards, so 10 is the total number of outcomes. Okay, now see, first is probability of getting a number 7. Okay, so probability of getting number 7. So there are 10 cards and in that 7 can comes only at once time. So there that will be number of trials, means the formula is, what is the formula for probability? Number of favorable outcomes upon the total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes will be 1 only because 7 can come only once and total number of outcome is 10. So answer will be 1 upon 10. Now see the second part. Second part is saying probability of getting 9 or 10. So probability of getting 9 or 10 will come 2 upon 10. How? Because either it can come 9 and either it can come 10. So there are two favorable condition. Okay, and the total number of outcomes is 10. So 2 5s means 1 upon 5 is your answer. Okay, take a look. Now third part, it is saying that number greater than 4, probability of number greater than 4. So what are the numbers greater than 4? That are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so how many numbers are there greater than 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 3, 6. 6 numbers are there which is greater than 4. So there can be 6 favorable condition. So probability will be 6 favorable condition upon the total number of outcomes. Now divided 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are. Okay, this is your answer. And similarly you can do number less than 6. So number less than 6 will be less than 6. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, means 5 favorable outcomes will be there. So probability will be 5 upon 10. 5 ones are and 5 twos are. 1 by 2 is your answer. Okay, so question number 4 has been solved. Now we are moving on to our next question. Our next question is question number 6. Kindly see it very carefully. I will solve only 2 part of it and rest is the similar. Okay, so a box contains 3 yellow, 4 green and 8 blue tickets. A ticket is chosen at random. Find the probability that the ticket is yellow, green, blue, red and not yellow. Okay, so we will write first number of yellow tickets. See here, number of yellow tickets was 3. Number of green tickets is 4. Number of blue tickets is 8. Okay, and total number of tickets is 3 plus 4 plus 8, and that is equals to 15. Now you have to find out probability of getting yellow. Okay, so how many tickets were there yellow? 3. Okay, and total number of tickets was 15. So 3 ones are 3 fives are, that is 1 by 5. Then B is probability of getting green. Okay, so there are 4 green, so 4 upon 15. This is the answer, it cannot be solved further. Okay, and let me solve for you the E part, not yellow. We have to find the probability of not yellow. Okay, so probability of not yellow will be 1 minus 1 upon 5. Okay, means if we are taking out one time, okay, so probability of not getting yellow can be 1. So from that 1 we are subtracting the probability of getting the yellow, and from here we can get, okay, probability as 4 by 5. Clear? So this is the final question of your course from exercise 22B. Okay, be prepared for your examination. With this, course has been completed by me. Okay, please do lots and lot of practice, okay, so that you may able to get good marks in the examination, and try to watch the video lecture. Thank you.